Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in our today's video we are going to discuss about Excel design experiences in UiPath and the differences between Excel and workbook activities. So we'll start with the design experiences in UiPath. The UiPath Studio offers two design experiences, modern and classic. The modern experience provides a user-friendly interface with new features, while the classic experience has a traditional interface. By default, UiPath Studio uses the modern design experience, but users can switch to classic experience as per their requirements. So you will see here in the activity panel, if I search for Excel, you will see here in the app integration, these are the Excel activities. These activities are modern design activities, and if I go down, there is no such classic activities. So how will you switch to classic design experience? To switch to classic design experience, just go to filter by option and select the classic checkbox, and you will see here the classic design experience has appeared on the screen with all these activities. So how will you use these Excel activities in your workflow? If I drag and drop this get cell color, you will see here there is an error on the screen. Value for required activity argument cell was not supplied. Activity is valid only inside the use Excel file scope. So here you have to focus on this error, the second line. Activity is valid only inside the use Excel file scope. So what this error is indicating, it is saying that you can't use these Excel activities in the modern design without this use Excel file activity. So what is this use Excel file activity? This use Excel file activity acts like a container. So every activity which is under this modern design, you have to keep it inside this use Excel file. Without using this use Excel file activity, you can't use these activities. You will the UiPath Studio will throw an error. So I'll just drag and drop use Excel file here and place this get cell color inside this do section of use Excel file activity, and you will see here that second line has gone. So this is how you will use the modern design Excel activity in the use Excel file. So same applies to the classic design experience. I will show you how you will use the classic design Excel activities. If I drag and drop get cell color here, you will see the error. Activity is valid only inside Excel application scope. So to if you want to use this activity in your workflow, you need to keep this activity inside the Excel application scope activity. It is also acts like a container. Just place it inside the do section of Excel application scope. You will see here the error has gone. So this is how you will use the Excel activities inside these containers. Now I will take you through the workbook activities in UiPath Studio. So these are the workbook activities which you can use in your workflow. So there are differences between workbook activities and Excel activities. So what are those differences? I will take you through. If you are using the Excel activities, Excel needs to be installed in your system. So wherever you are using the Excel activities in any system, in that system the Excel needs to be installed. And if you are using the workbook activities, the Excel doesn't need to be installed in your system. Excel workbook file can remain open at the time of robot run in case of Excel activities, but in case of workbook, Excel workbook file should be closed at the time of bot run. It means whenever your bot is running, in case of workbook activities, your Excel should remain closed. Your Excel is open while running the bot. The UiPath Studio will throw an error that your workbook is being used by some another process. And in case of Excel workbook, your file can remain open at the time of your bot run. And the next difference is workbook activities completely works in background, but Excel activities can be visible. And workbook activities are faster than Excel activities, but Excel activities are slower than workbook activities. So one question will come in your mind: when to use Excel activities and when to use the workbook activities. So you can use Excel activities when multiple manipulations needs to be done on Excel, and when only like limited operations or a single operation needs to be done. In that case, you can use the workbook activities. And the last difference is, in case of Excel activities, you can use the macro, but in case of workbook activities, you cannot use macros. So in our today's session, we discussed about the Excel design experiences, the workbook activities, the modern design activities, and the classic design activities, and how to use those activities in your workflow. So this is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.